Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. We've been busy down here in the basement. You can see that this back wall's been painted green. A little bit of trim yet to do up along the top. This wall's been painted white. There's still a little bit of trim work to do up along the top here too. We had the carpet people out today and they've measured the room. They're going to come back to us with a cost when we get around to going down there and looking at all the various carpet samples and bring them home and study them against the lighting and positioning and all the other things that you do with carpet. So that's pretty much what we've been doing for the whole weekend, is getting this room to this state. Peeled up all the carpet and scraped up all the stuff last week. This weekend we straightened up the room a little bit, got some of the stuff rearranged and painted walls. We've still got ceiling to finish up along the edges, and then we've got to get the carpet in. So that's an update on where we're at. We're going to be doing this probably for another 2 weeks by the time we get everything done. At least that's my hope. So if you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. And try and avoid this if you can. It's not fun.